Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by getting the TV online and signed into your Google/Sony accounts so the assistant can process requests. Once done, install any pending firmware. This ensures voice features are available. Now go to Settings, find Voice Control or Google Assistant, and enable it. Next, pair the Bravia remote with the TV and press the mic button to confirm the microphone is live. You're starting the system so it can hear and respond. Once the feature is on, set the default assistant and preferred language so commands route correctly. Then make sure the TV and assistant have microphone, location, and media permissions. Without these, the assistant can't control apps or find content. After that, run voice match or personalize voice recognition so the TV recognizes you and reduces mistakes. Make sure connected services like Netflix or Spotify are linked. Otherwise, the assistant can't open or control them. You're ready to test. Say short commands like open YouTube, play Stranger Things, or press the mic and say volume down 10. Speak clearly and closer to the remote or TV because distance reduces accuracy. That's why calibration and permissions matter. If commands fail, restart the TV, confirm Wi-Fi, repair the remote, and check for firmware updates. These fixes resolve most problems. If language settings are wrong, switch them back. That will immediately improve recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.